In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. Forms are a fast, friendly way to collect information and send it straight into your boards so your team can act on it immediately. Whether you're gathering client feedback, intake requests, or internal submissions, I'll walk you through creating a form with Monday's built-in tools using the AI assistant to draft the form content, polishing the layout, and sharing it with the right people. First, head to your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Look toward the top area of your screen for a blue plus button. Click that to add something new to your workspace. From the options that appear, choose Form. This opens the form creation flow, where Monday provides an AI-powered helper to jumpstart your content. You'll see a field where you can describe the form you want. Type in your desired form letter or prompt for the AI. Be specific about what the form is for, who will fill it out, and the key pieces of information you need. For example, you can mention the audience, the purpose, and any must-have questions. Clear instructions here help the AI generate a stronger starting point that matches your use case and tone. When your description looks good, click Generate Preview. Monday will take a moment to process your request. It typically takes under a minute, so give it a bit of time to produce the draft. While you wait, think about how you plan to use the responses. Knowing whether submissions should trigger assignments, status changes, or follow-ups will help you refine the form content in the next steps. Once the requested form letter has been generated, review the preview that appears. If it captures the essence of what you need, click Create Form. This turns the draft into an editable form view connected to your board. Now, take a moment to check what the AI generated. Scan through the questions, the descriptions, and the overall structure. Make sure the language feels right for your audience and that any essential fields are present. Next, click Edit Form to tailor the content to your needs. Here, you can adjust wording, remove anything that doesn't apply, and add clarifying help text so submitters know exactly what's expected. This is also a good time to mark critical fields as required and to reorder questions so the form flows naturally, from basic details at the top to more nuanced questions later. Keep the form concise, but complete enough to prevent back and forth follow-ups. Click the form's title at the top to rename it to something meaningful and recognizable. Use a clear naming convention your team understands, like including the use case and department. A strong title helps teammates quickly spot the correct form and builds trust with external submitters. After that, click Design to refine the look and feel. Here you can tweak placements and visual elements so the form presents cleanly. Align your branding with simple choices like colors and spacing, and aim for readability. Generous spacing, short labels, and helpful placeholders can reduce errors and speed up completion. Then, click Settings. This is where you fine-tune behavior behind the scenes. Review options such as who can access the form, how submissions are captured on your board, and any confirmation message people see after submitting. Think about privacy and data quality here. Only collect what you truly need and use confirmations to set expectations about next steps or response times. When everything looks good, click Share Form. You'll see sharing options and a dedicated link. Click the Copy Form Link button to place that link on your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into emails, chats, or wherever your audience will find it. Once shared, responses will land in your board automatically, ready for your team to triage and act on. That's it. You started from the home page, created a form with the AI's help, refined and styled it, set the right controls, and shared a link your audience can use right away. With this workflow in place, you'll save time, reduce manual data entry, and keep everything organized inside Monday.com.